Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to this review. Today, we have the Taipan TM10-256, a very interesting infrared viewer, quite similar to the FLIR model I had a few years ago. I wanted to buy another one, but FLIR devices are really expensive. This one, on the other hand, is much more affordable. Just to compare, FLIR offers the TK model for the same price, but with a much lower resolution. The Taipan features a resolution of 320 by 240 with a refresh rate of 50 Hz. It also has Bluetooth, video recording capabilities, and several useful features. Let's get straight to the test. On the top, we have the power button, which also works for taking pictures and recording videos. Then we have the zoom and the ability to switch between different viewing modes, black and white, color, and the hotspot mode, which highlights heat sources. On the bottom, there's a USB port for charging and a built-in battery. Let's see how it performs. Here's the standard mode. People appear yellow. If we press the mode button, we switch to hotspot mode where hot areas turn red. There are also two black and white modes, one normal and one negative. There's a slight flickering when recording with the iPhone, probably due to the recording frequency. Now let's see if we can spot any animals. Oh, there's one. A man, some people, and a squirrel. Look at how clearly it stands out thanks to its body heat. I could record some videos and edit them, though lately I've had trouble connecting the device to my computer. This viewer is simple but effective. The 320 by 240 resolution isn't the best, but for higher resolutions, prices go up significantly. A 640 by 480 model can easily cost around $2,000. Today is the perfect day to test it, since there's no sunlight. Let's try to find more animals. There's another squirrel. Amazing. You can barely see it with the naked eye, but with this thermal viewer, it's crystal clear. I bought this mainly to spot animals like owls and birds at night, and maybe take some pictures. So far, I've only found squirrels, but if I went to a park, who knows what I could see. Over there, about 200 meters away, there are two people, almost invisible to the naked eye, but they stand out perfectly through the viewer. This device also works a bit like binoculars, improving long-distance visibility. In conclusion, I love it. It's a gadget I've wanted for a long time. It's not essential, but it's definitely useful for nature lovers and nighttime photography. All right, that's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.